Okay, we continue the Bootstrap tutorial. Okay, let's just start. I will try to add the script again. I type the script like this. This script can be seen in the Bootstrap documentation. Then I enter. Type the number 4. The number 4 means form 3 columns. Bootstrap is initialized with 12 columns. So 12 if we divide that 4 into 3 columns, so that it will be made into 3 columns. Then add it below. That I copy from where I copy. I will copy it. We search here, type card. This is it. I'll just take this one. Here is a picture. There will be a statement later. Then there's the button. I just copy this. Click this one. Okay, I copy. Then I'll paste it here. Well, like that. Then I deleted this style. I don't need it. I don't need the style. Just go straight like this. Then for the button also I think I can. I just deleted this button. This one I replace, for example, lorem, lorem. For example, lorem. This is it like that, yeah. Then this one, for example, lorem 15. We just use lorem frenzy, let it be easy. We enter like that. Less neat. I try to enter again. Oh, it's less down here. Well, like that. I saved it by pressing Ctrl+S on the keyboard. The result is like this. Leave the picture later in the next video. We learn it slowly. You don't have to be confused. I'm sure we're going slow. We'll put a picture of it in the next video. I hope this video was helpful. Friends can help. Subscribe to this channel and keep following the content of this channel.